Testing, testing.
The sides are like, all the sides are like transparent. So,
Okay. You mean everything comes out as transparent or?
no, just I can show you if you'd like to see it.
Yeah, that'd probably be easiest.
Yeah, I think so. All right, so let's see. I'll start with this screen right here. And so we got this. And,
All right, cool.
and then so the way I have it set up in Photoshop is like this with the alpha channel, but I think obviously I'm doing something wrong. So in the
Well, it
alpha
looks
channel.
good in Maya.
Okay. Yeah, so the problem, yeah, so the problem is I lost all the rest of the images, you know, so
Oh, you have all the images on here already.
I do, yeah. So let me show you like the way I have it laid out. Whoops, let's see. Probably in the color. So I got the bump map in there, and if I turn, yeah, so I already have them laid out.
Got it. Okay, I see. So it looks like what kind of did you export it as a Targa with 32
Yes,
bit?
I did. I exported it as a. Initially, I thought it was going to be a separate Targa, but it looks like it was the original color Targa was yeah. So it's this one right here is a Targa file. So
And it's
and
saved
then
as 32 bits.
yes, it was 32-bit. So what
Okay.
happened? So I'm thinking I got something. So here's my alpha channel. So I turn the color off and the alpha on. So I've got this fill, which I thought that would bring out the pictures, you know, to make it opaque, but and then I'm not sure what. Okay, so that's that, and that's the Superman, and that's the grid. So
Okay. Let me open up mine and make sure it looks the same.
did you go to that concert? How was it? The
Oh, so fun. We were out of town for a couple weeks. We were in Denver, and then we were in this little town called Sandpoint, Idaho. Just hanging out with some friends there, just experiencing the mountains and everything. And then we went to Seattle. So we were at a few different
nice.
shows. It was really fun.
That's cool.
It's hard to
Yeah.
work on the road on my Mac though, because I'm so used to a PC, but worth it for sure.
I think I'm getting close on finishing this. I want to get this finished tonight. Yeah, I got, but I've been like struggling with this. I think it's all fine though. I think everything's good.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. It looks like
Oh, do you
there
want me
might
to
be
stop sharing my screen?
it's okay. We might
Okay.
still need it. I'll let you
All
know
right.
if I need to share mine, but I don't know yet because I have to get this to open up.
Okay.
Just making sure everything looks right. So let's see. You had the what channel did you put it under? That would have been the
Alpha
alpha.
1. Yeah.
That was just the alpha, yeah.
So there's my
Okay.
alpha, right? Can you see that? Or is it still sharing?
Hang on, I'm off screen now. I have too many things open as usual. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, you don't need to have it on though to export it. It should just recognize it.
Okay.
As long as you export it with 32 bits. So yeah, that looks right to me. Let's see. Did you make sure that only that one was exported and nothing else?
So
Like all your other layers were turned off, right?
yeah, I don't know about that. I can re-export it. So you're
Like, give it-
saying the color should be turned off then, and
turn off
then
everything except the layer that you're gonna export.
okay. But the background probably has to stay on, it looks like. So probably just this alpha group, right? So yeah.
Go ahead and turn off your background for a second, just to see what it looks like without it. Trying to remember. I think you do want that, but we might actually need to take that off. So let's try it first with it, and then we'll try it without it, because it's been
Okay,
a second
so
since I did this, but
yeah, sorry to throw this on you.
no, it's okay. I actually have been experiencing some technical difficulties with this project. I was like trying to go into Maya and look at the UVs just to like refresh myself because it's been a second, and I can't even get my UV panel to show up. It's like broken. Only on my PC, not on my Mac. So weird.
Oh wow. Okay.
So
I'll just overwrite what's in there on the color exercise. No, wait a
might
minute.
as
Yeah, that's what is supposed to go out on the color, that one there. So 32-bit. And
okay.
then
It will sometimes automatically refresh in Maya, especially if you have the preferences set to automatically refresh images. But go ahead and reload it just because.
okay. So that would be, let's see here. That's there's the bump. So it'd be right here, I guess. Well, that's going into the, it'd be here then, I guess. Yeah. So color. No, that's the other one. So cube color right here. So that's the one.
Oh, I thought you said this was your alpha channel.
Yeah, it is. So is there a separate one for color and then a separate one for the alpha as well? Because
I was thinking so, but it looks like I didn't save one called alpha. So I guess I was just thinking, yeah, I guess you're right. That is the alpha.
okay. And then so that's what happens. And it's exactly what's in the Targa file. So apparently I'm doing something not right.
Okay. Well, let's try and export it without the black background then.
Okay. So we'll take this off, right? And then I think this is a mask, right? So anyway, all right, let me try this then. File, save as. Oh wait, I guess they changed that in Photoshop. Save a copy, and then you get the target selection.
Was it not giving you Targa with save as?
No, it doesn't actually. I don't know why. But yeah, if I go save as, file, save as, I don't get that option. Just the TIFF. Yeah, so then you go, if you go save a copy, then it's fine. So
Huh. I don't
yeah,
remember running
so
into that. It's super weird.
there's that. Cube color, save color, okay. 32-bit, and then okay. second to this. That's
No, that's not it. But you know what I'm realizing is that if you're exporting this as color and you're using that as your alpha, then then you don't have a base for the pictures themselves on top of the image. So let's see if I'm going through here. Actually, I'm going to share my screen now, so that way you can see what I'm talking about.
okay.
Da. Okay, so can you see it okay?
Yeah, I can.
Cool. So this is my color channel.
Okay.
That's my alpha channel. This is my incandescence. This is my bump, and that's my spec. See how none of these, except for the color channel, have my images.
Yeah, that's what's a little deceiving on because he says only giving 3 of the target files, but he probably I guess I don't see any way around giving an alpha target as well. So
Yeah, I really think there is one. I'm not sure why I don't have one in my project folder called alpha. That's weird to me.
that is
But
weird because it
I
wouldn't work,
remember,
right, if it didn't link up to that.
right. So maybe, well, I guess maybe it was, see, I'm theorizing here, but that doesn't make sense. I was gonna say like, maybe I just exported the color and alpha channels together, but those are two different things. Why would I have done white on all of these? So I think they really just need to be extra channels. And then you would have like the color mapped as the main channel and then alpha mapped to transparency.
Yeah, so that's in the
Because if you
beginning,
look
that's
through
what I
here,
had. And then so the colors, so how would that be linked up then in the shader? Like, so I would have to have, is there a separate like shader for alpha? Because I thought that was based off of the color.
let's see. I'm gonna share the screen with you now too. Okay, so the alpha is mapped through the bump value here, and then I think I did, it looks like I did one color for transparency, or I did one node to transparency and the other one to color. And then that must have been the same one then.
Yeah, the transparent, yeah, that's exactly. You have the cube exercise of for color to transparency and then also to color. So, and that's,
Yeah.
oh, but then there is an alpha that goes, well, okay, so that goes to the specular color.
The alpha, wait, where are you seeing that?
Yeah, so I saw that right, out alpha, right? And out color and out alpha. But
Yeah,
you're really
so,
only using on that one just the color for the specular color.
right, yeah, so it's not the actual images. The actual images you're getting from this node right here to here.
Yeah.
So maybe that's what you're missing. Did you try, do you have this connected the same way?
Yeah, I'm gonna look at that right now. So I have,
Make sure you
let's
have
see.
one, the top one, connected to transparency, and then the out color connected to color.
Yeah, I have the out color going to, that's the cube. Let's see. So the out colors going to color, and then the, oh wait, so the out alpha is not going, oh yeah, no. So that's weird. Let me see yours again. So
You know what I
yeah,
think I did? I'm pretty sure what I did is I had both of my color and alpha channels in my Photoshop showing. I had those visible. And so I had two separate folders for those two things, right? The images and then the alpha. Those two are showing, nothing else. And the background is showing though, that's included. And then I exported it at 32 bits and I included the alpha channel, but with the images. And then I mapped the color of that channel to color. And then I mapped the transparency of it to transparency.
okay, so the color's on, right? All the color, and then the background as well, right?
You wanna share your screen again?
Yeah. Okay, so I turned on all the colors here. And then I also have the alpha on. But I'm not sure why I don't see the pictures now. Are they in this UV?
So I think the main issue is actually that your color folder is underneath your alpha folder.
Oh,
You
okay.
need that
So
on top.
that needs to be up top. Okay. Let's see here. I don't want to put it inside of there. So let's see.
Yeah, just close that top folder.
And then just drag. I'll just drag the alpha underneath, right? Can I do that?
Either
Yeah.
way, that's fine.
And then put the color all the way at the top, or does it matter?
It doesn't matter as long as those other layers are invisible.
Okay. But we want the background visible though, right?
Yeah, you can keep that
Okay,
visible.
so that's what we want, right? The color, then
Yeah.
the alpha. Okay. Now if I do a save a copy. Let's see here. And then we'll call this the color once again. Yes, 32-bit. Now, this is it right here, I think. I can already tell it's not looking right.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Didn't really look like it refreshed, did it?
No, that's so weird because your Targa file itself should definitely have those images on it.
Yeah. Cube exercise for 04 color. All right, so let's save that. Yes, replace. Okay, so yeah, it's here. That's the one there.
The heck? Okay. Mhm.
Well, how about if I open that target in Photoshop to see what it looks like?
Yeah. That way we'll know if the problem's Photoshop. Okay,
Well,
so
it
the
doesn't look like it's Photoshop. How about if I just delete it all together in Maya and then bring it back in, like disconnect it? Like if
yeah, you
I,
might want to create new nodes there because it seems to not be refreshing. Go ahead and hit reload first before you do that though, just once.
reload, okay.
And then check your image just to see how it looks. Yeah, no, okay.
All right, so I haven't saved anything. So if I delete this, right, is that what we're doing? Deleting that.
Yeah, you'll just delete that, create a new one from scratch.
So do I delete this? I forget.
Yeah, you just can start over with that one.
All right, and then, so it's a cube shader.
I think it was just you're placing a texture and then you're mapping its channel. Hang on, let me make sure which one it was.
I don't think that's it actually, because I'm still seeing, if I'm gonna reconnect it, it still looks like that. So there must be something in
Really weird.
Photoshop.
Can I see your alpha channel?
Yeah. Oh, do I need to have, wait, does yours have, do we have white here?
I think so. Yeah, you should definitely have white there because otherwise, yeah, that would be exactly what's doing it, and that's why it would look normal otherwise.
Yeah,
Like
so
it looks normal here. Yeah, so you need to redo your alpha channel. You can just take the whole thing, check and make sure that it has white in those spaces, and then copy it and merge it.
okay, so yeah, so you
Have a fill.
yeah, there's a fill with the alpha right there. So
Go ahead and right click on that folder alpha and hit duplicate, or actually
okay, yeah, right.
just drag it over to the new layer. You can
Okay,
duplicate
so
that.
right click, duplicate, you said?
Yeah,
I'll duplicate group.
and then you can just keep it as alpha copy. That's cool, or merged, whatever. And then you're gonna right click it and you're gonna select merge group. Okay, now take your, go ahead and hide those other layers. And now take the marquee tool. And
Select everything.
or actually, you know what? I think I did have the background still for that one. So go ahead and enable that one. And then you're gonna select everything from there.
And then just do a copy, paste.
Copy and then paste. And if the paste comes out weird, undo and paste in place.
We're getting rid of this one, right?
Yeah, you can just make a whole new channel.
Whoops. Can I just delete that or?
Oh yeah, that's fine too.
Or
You don't have to delete it. It's cool. Yeah, that works.
do you just hit delete or?
Well, if you deleted all the contents, then you can just paste everything into it.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
Let's see
It'll
here.
be fine.
Okay, so paste. Yeah, and that's what I was seeing too. It's like I need to move it down to the corner, I think. See how it's,
Undo,
what's that?
hit undo. And then delete that channel and then hit paste. Go to edit,
Paste
paste
special?
special,
Okay,
and paste in place.
okay.
That does it.
Yep, okay, cool.
But this still doesn't look right. Because I guess the black background wasn't selected. So actually, now what you
Try
need to do is go back to your alpha channel that's not copied.
Okay,
Sorry, not the channel, the layer, my bad.
delete this first, right?
Yeah, you're gonna want to just delete that.
Okay,
Just make a new channel from scratch once you do.
all right. And then, so you said, where was I supposed to go now?
Okay, so
Oh, the
make
alpha here?
alpha channel visible. You're gonna delete that alpha copy that you made.
I can just
You can
throw it
just
away.
hit the delete button at the bottom, yeah. The little trash can, yeah, because you don't
Okay,
need that
cool.
anymore. We're gonna make a new
All
one.
right,
Now make your alpha folder, your group visible.
okay,
Like hit the I next to the folder, there you go.
all right.
And then you're gonna expand the background folder. Go ahead and copy that black background into your alpha channel folder. Okay,
Okay.
and now we're gonna do the same steps that we just did again, which is to duplicate that group and merge it.
So select everything, right?
First, duplicate the group.
Oh, yeah, all right, okay. Duplicate group. Okay,
Okay, and then you're gonna merge that second group. Or you have to right click in the right spot, yeah.
is that right here? Wait,
Oh
right
no,
here.
on the name. Yeah, there you go.
Okay,
Okay, so now that's one image. Before it didn't work because it wasn't taking into account the background layer because it wasn't selected. So now you can take the marquee tool and select everything. And copy, paste special. And make sure the alpha channel is actually selected before you do that.
oh yeah, good
So,
call.
yeah, there you go.
Paste, paste in place. Okay,
There you go.
all
Now that you
right,
have
great.
that is going to make a big difference.
Okay, so now just save as, or save.
Before you do that, you have to re-enable your color layer.
Oh yeah. Okay, where's?
That's back up at the top, yeah.
All right, like that.
And yeah, and now you should be able to get all the alpha before it was blocking out those images.
Now we're gonna attach this file here, right?
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
Alrighty,
All right.
now let's see if it's hey, great.
Very nice.
Yeah, I love it when a plan comes together. So awesome. So now the rest of them should be pretty easy, I think. The iridescent
Yeah,
and the socks, I think. Does everything
yeah,
else
those are pretty fun.
does everything else look like it's Okay,
Yeah, keep rotating around a bit. You'll fix that with a bump map probably.
okay.
All right, looks good. Very good. Yeah, you have some good specular on there.
Okay, great. So
Nice.
yeah,
Or I guess that,
I haven't added the specular yet. So
yeah, I just realized it wasn't color flashing, it was just light.
yeah,
Um,
it's just a light reflection.
yeah,
So
but yeah, the
okay.
specular, you'll see when you rotate it, it's like it'll turn it like green or
Yeah, is that just creating another channel or something or
pretty much. So you mean in Photoshop or in Maya?
yeah, in Photoshop, I think I got to create another layer, I believe, right?
Yeah, so I'll show you what that kind of looks like.
All right. Thanks.
Mhm. Okay, so you see it okay?
Let's see. Yeah, I guess it would help if I pulled it up here. So
Okay.
let's see. Wait, getting confused. Okay, yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Okay, so for specular, you basically just take those bright colors and you make you select in the areas specified, um, and then you can just like copy the contents of those areas, which you select with either like the pen tool or select all by color or magic
Oh,
wand
with
or whatever.
a path, right?
Hmm?
Is that what it is?
Wait, sorry, what? Say it again.
A path, like with the pen tool, you create these paths.
Yeah, yeah. Or like for certain selections, you can just select by color and it'll pretty much get it. So
Hmm.
like if I wanted to select everything here in this image, if I wanted to select all those lines, those black lines, I could just go to select all by type color and then choose my color to black. And then if I didn't want to keep this black in or this black in, then I could just like deselect that. Or I could select all the black and copy it to a new layer and use that in whatever channel I'm trying to create. So depending on what you're trying to build, you select that stuff and then you copy it over to a new channel and then you just keep everything organized so you can use it when you need it. But it's a lot of copying and pasting, honestly. Um,
Okay.
yeah. So like this is your specular. Um, it it just involves like selecting those items that are specified and filling them in with those colors. Your bump is all black and white because that's all the information that's needed in order to create that channel. It's a pretty simple channel. You notice a slight difference with it. Incandescence is only going to involve the red on the Superman. That's all you really have to worry about for that. Um, and you can use certain adjustment layers to kind of like lighten that up and make it more intense even. So let's see, looks like I have two and can, yeah, see I use levels, overlay, and a mask. And oh yeah, I just created blocks to cover everything that I don't need. And then I would copy all those blocks over to different channels when I need to use them. So it's a lot of like stuff you can keep reusing, if
Hmm.
that makes sense.
Yeah.
So for bump, I have like separate things for each square, each shape to cover things, and I just keep it organized based on what it is. And yeah, it should be pretty easy from there. The tricky part is honestly probably the alpha, um, making sure
Yeah.
it's like mapped right. So yeah.
Cool. Yeah, no, I think I'm good to go now. I appreciate it.
Yeah,
And
no problem. Glad we could figure that out.
yeah,
Sorry,
that's
it took
awesome.
realize
It's
what that was.
Yeah, it was, could have been a lot worse, I guess, right? But
Yeah, for sure.
yeah, cool. All right. Well, really appreciate it, and try to get this thing turned in tonight, and then I think that's it. So
All right, awesome. Well, good luck. Let me know if you run into any more issues.
okay, we'll do. Thanks again. We'll see you later.
Of course, anytime. Take care.
Bye.